This is a building block matrix with patterns of logic both in the columns and the rows, so I'm going to show you both. Let's start with our columns. From top to bottom, we're dealing with 3 different shapes across this matrix: a cross, a triangle, and a pentagon. So in the first element of our first column, we have a triangle and a cross. Combined with a triangle leaves us with just the cross because the triangles are similar shapes, and similar shapes usually cancel each other out or erase one another when we're doing building block matrices. Same thing for column 2. We have a pentagon plus a pentagon and a triangle. The pentagons are 2 similar shapes, so they will cancel each other out, leaving us with just the triangle. And now it's important to note that usually with building block matrices, any line that is shared between elements usually gets canceled out. So you would think that this line and this line would be canceled and we would actually just have this shape, right? But in this matrix, it's really helpful to think of these as completely separate shapes because the pentagon has a bottom face and the triangle has a bottom face. So when the triangle is gone, when the pentagon is taken out of the equation, there is still this bottom base left over by the triangle. So then if we take a look at our last column, we can see all 3 of our shapes are present here in this first element, but the thing they have in common, this pentagon is going to cancel out. It is going to erase. Will be gone. So that leaves us with answer choice C. Now let's double check this with our rows. So we know by our columns that the answer choice is C. Let's see if the rows tell us the same thing. From left to right here, a cross and a triangle added to a pentagon gives us all 3 of those shapes. That's very good. A triangle plus a triangle and a pentagon, these 2 shapes are similar, so they will cancel each other out, leaving us with just the pentagon. And in the third row, a cross plus a triangle will give us a cross and a triangle, which also gives us answer choice C.